Hi guys, so I have done my morning routine. I've been to the gym, I have had my coffee, I showered, and now I'm getting ready to go and busk at Nantwich, which is a very, very lovely town. It's quite small and it's about an hour on a train from where I live, and I love going there because it's always a very nice atmosphere, lots of nice people, and everybody really enjoys my music. And also the weather is very, very, very good today. Look at these flowers from Eddie, they're gorgeous. So yeah, it's a wonderful day, quite excited, and hopefully it'll go well. And you're coming along with me, which is great. So guys, it is currently 10:35 and I usually start at about 10:50. the weather is absolutely amazing. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, everything is amazing. So hopefully today will be a good busking day. And yeah, and I'll start with just the two of us. It's always a good one. So guys, so far I've done about an hour and I have about an hour left. It's going pretty well. Good music, good people. Hi.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
Okay, lovely.
I'll be back maybe next week.
Okay.
Maybe the week after. You're definitely hear me.
Maybe.
Yes. So that was very good. I really enjoyed that. I played for 2 hours. Now I really have to rush for the train because it's literally in about 4 minutes. So hopefully I'll catch it and everything is going to be okay. So guys, Eddie has picked me up and now we're going home, finally. I'm feeling a little bit tired, but it's okay. It was a good day and a good busk, and I'm sure I don't know, maybe I earned £90, maybe more. I don't know, we'll see later on. Wow. So guys, I've counted my money and I earned £105, which is very good. So it has been a very successful busking day for me today. And yeah, and now Eddie's at my home. Eddie's looking great. I have soon a online lesson that I'm going to be teaching. And then me and Eddie gonna have some dinner. And we haven't even thought about the dinner yet. But it's okay.
Hello.
Hi.
B&M.
Okay, so we're going to get a pick and mix at B&M. A juicy pick and mix with all of my favorite sweets.
All over.
Hello guys, we are on a little walk through Appley Woods, which is like this beautiful forest. And yeah, it's like 7 p.m, soon our bedtime. But yeah, we're enjoying ourselves. I'm having a really good day today. It's like wonderful.
Okay, so here we are fishing today. We have a fishing rod, as you can see. And Vicky said we're not leaving here until we catch a fish.
Until I catch a fish and I can eat.
So it looks like we're going to be here. You?
I can eat. I'm not feeding you.
So guys, I'm back from my walk with Eddie, and it was a very nice summer walk. We walked for about 45 minutes and it was very nice, very beautiful, very warm, golden hours, gorgeous. So now I'm gonna do a 20-minute core workout, and I'm gonna go shower, and I'll probably be in bed by 9, and then I'll probably be asleep by 9:15. So yeah, this is pretty much my day, my usual day. Nothing crazy happens, it's pretty chill. I wake up early, go to bed early, things like that. So if you like this vlog, please follow me, like me, comment, everything, because I'll be making more of these. I really like recording my life because, you know, it kind of makes me capture the moment and just be mindful, be present, things like that. So yeah, I hope you liked it, and if you didn't, then sorry, comment on what I should improve. But yeah, I hope you have a good rest of your day.